Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to hide likes on Twitter. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First up, we'll open up Twitter application. Here go to profile, picture on top left corner. Now here tap on profile. So here you can see post, replies, highlights, articles, media and likes. For now it is visible to everyone that is following you or that is not following you. So in order to hide this, you need to go to your profile picture again and then tap on settings and support, tap on settings and privacy, and now go to privacy and safety and then tap on audience and simply tap on it and turn on it. It will protect your details or your post from the people who are not following you. So that means that people who are following you can only see the post that you have liked, but if people are not following you, then they cannot see the post that you have liked. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.